Hello everyone. Today what we are going to see is how to create our own module. So own module is nothing but library function. So if you are seeing means I'm using pip install Sherbin. So Sherbin is my name. So I'm develop my own library function and I'm deploying Colab. So you will know Colab is internet oriented programming tool. So cloud based programming tool. So this video is completely for the promotion video. So to my channel, so if you are interested, subscribe to my channel. Once we reach to 750 subscribers, I will post another one video. So how you are going to create your own module and deploy in your local machine, and how others can use that module. So like that the flow will go on. So now we are going to install our own module. So pip install Sherbin. So you can also install this module in your system. So it is globally available. So after installation this module, the program flow, what means it going to check the mail ID is good or bad. So sorry, valid or invalid. So like that I'm developing my library function and deploy in global area. So we will see. So first of all I will show the CSV file and we will move on to the program. This is my email ID. So if you are seeing the first email ID consists of 2 dots, so it's a false email ID. Then what are the invalid email IDs means it will print false, otherwise it will print true. So like that the program flow will be go on. So my module is working with pandas. I'm getting the output. So this is the first program. So in this program we will see what are the emails are valid and invalid. So in this program I am loading the CSV file and printing the data. So we will see the data. I'm run. Yeah, this is the data. Then afterwards I am giving for loop. So in for loop I am locating the first column, and one by one it will iterate and it will say the true or false, the valid and invalid. So if you are seeing means here we have double dot, so it's an invalid mail. So like that this program flow will go on. Then afterwards another one flow. Yeah, in this program we are using dot map function. So map function is nothing but it is a predefined function name in pandas. So map will work in the string areas because the email IDs are string. So we are using the map function. So we can iterate the value one by one using this map function instead of we are moving to the for loop. So we are getting the output so same as it is. Then afterwards you can go through in Google, so you will find more about map, and another one function name also available to working with string, because we can normally use in integer, so we won't get any error and we won't get anything. So instead of we are working in string means we can move on to this map function. Why? Because means instead of going to the for loop, so our programming will be very more lines. So that's why we are move on to this inbuilt function. So now we are going to check our output from previous to here. Yeah, the sixth one is false. So in previously program also the sixth one is false. So invalid. So false means invalid, true means valid mail IDs. So that's all. So thank you for watching this.